There is a secret door to Allah's mercy. And it opens when you help someone who can't repay you. Have you ever helped someone quietly, without expecting anything in return? Because in Islam, every small act of kindness is recorded, even the ones people never see. Allah reminds us in the Quran. And those who hold fast to the book and establish prayer. We do not waste the reward of those who do good. Do you know what good includes? Even a smile, a glass of water, a kind message, guiding someone, lifting a burden, or sharing a little food. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others." Helping someone is not just charity. It purifies your heart, removes your worries, and becomes a shield against calamities. Maybe the help you give today will be the reason Allah removes a problem from your life tomorrow. Maybe the dua someone makes for you will open a door you never expected. So today, help someone for the sake of Allah. Even if it's small. Even if no one sees it. Because Allah sees everything. And Allah rewards beautifully. Comment, Allah make me a source of goodness. If you want your heart to stay soft and guided,